Let's see what's inheritance in C++. So inheritance is nothing but the process of inheriting features from the base class to the derived class. In the sense, a new class has been created by deriving some of the features from the base class, and some new properties are added to the derived class. So now the derived class will have new features as well as the features of the base class. So when it is compared with a real-time example, for example, if there is a child in a family, so he might have inherited some characters from his father or his mother. So to extend as an extension, he can also would have he would have also inherited character from his grandparent. So there are several types of inheritance which we will be seeing in the future slides. Uh, so here they have given an example. Here a mammal is the main class. From these class, two derived class has been arrived. So that is dog is also a mammal and cat is also a mammal. So both of them have derived from the mammal class. Coming specifically to the dog class, so it comes under mammal. It additionally it has some other features compared to the cat class. So, but anyhow, both of them will be having a common properties from the base class. So these are all the advantages of inheritance. That is reusability of code. Since we are inheriting an exact copy of what exists in the base class. So no need to write a new code in the derived class. So since we are reusing, it saves times and effort, and it helps in faster development, maintenance, and easy to extend. Expressing the inheritance relationship and its transitive nature ensures closeness with real world presence. What are all the real world problems that matches these inheritance concept, then it will be easier for us to implement using this inheritance concept. So this is the syntax for inheriting or creating a derived class. So here you have to use the keyword class followed by name of the derived class, and then you have to use this colon symbol, and then followed by it you need to specify the access specifier, that is either it is public, protected, or private, and then the name of the base class. So this is an example here. The base class is animals. From that we are deriving a new class called amphibians. So the syntax is implemented here. Class amphibians, this is the new class, and this symbol indicates that this is a derived class and it's going to derive features from the base class animals. So the amphibian is derived from the base class animal. So this we are getting from the definition or this declaration. So access control and inheritance. So access control in the sense, since we are using three specifiers here, private, protected, and public, based on its usage, some access restrictions will be carried out. So consider this as a base class and this as the derived class. If the data members inside base class are declared private, then it cannot be accessed by the child class. This inheritance is not possible. So if it is protected, so only its immediate derived class can access the members of the base class. So public in the sense anyone can access these members of the base class. So then coming to the types of inheritance, we have 5 types of inheritance: single inheritance, multiple, multi-level, hierarchical, and hybrid inheritance. So single inheritance in the sense there will be only one base class and one derived class. That is a derived class will be inheriting properties from only a single base class. So explaining this with an example. Here, a class named student is the base class, and it has certain data members and functions. The class named course is inheriting the class base class, that is student class. Through this declaration, we can get that the class course derives features from student class. So since this course class inherits only from a single class, that is student class, so this is nothing but single inheritance. So here you can see only a single inheritance happens here. So then coming to the multi-level inheritance. So here actually the B class is inherited from A class, and again from the B class C class gets inherited. So while seeing the definition, multi-level inheritance is a subclass. Consider C inherits from a class, that is B class, uh, inherits that itself inherits from another class, that is this another class is A. So this such kind of inheritance is multi-level inheritance. This happens in a family too. If this is considered as a grandparent, so he would have inherited some characters from his father, and his father would have inherited from uh, his own father, that is the child's grandfather. So here you can see three different classes. So this is the base class. This is the class that is derived from the base class, and this is the subclass that is derived from the derived class. So here you see a furniture is the base class, and the sofa derives the properties of the class furniture, and the office class inherits the properties of sofa. So what happens is, so the since this sofa inherits the properties of furniture, so all the properties can be inherited by sofa class. Now this sofa class properties will be inherited by office class. Since this office class is the derived class of sofa, which again it is a derived class, it can access both the members of the sofa class and furniture class. So these properties are coming into sofa, and again some new properties are introduced in the sofa class. So now this sofa class is can able to access its members of furniture, as well as it has its own members. So here it is now sofa can be considered as a combination of both furniture and sofa. Now office class, from the sofa class itself, it can access the properties of both sofa and furniture class. So this is nothing but multi-level inheritance. So here they have declared the office is derived from sofa, sofa is derived from furniture. So I'm coming to the multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance in the sense one class is getting inherited from two base classes. So this is nothing but multiple inheritance. So this also you can compare with the child in a family. So if a child gets characters both from his male parent and female parent, so it's nothing but multiple inheritance. Here, there are two classes, chairperson and director. Here, the company class derives both chairperson and director. So this in general, you can say that in a company, both chairperson and director will be there. So a company has the rights to access both chairperson and director's details. So what happens? Actually, this company class is deriving from both chairperson and derived director class. So the two class properties are transferred here. So this is nothing but multiple inheritance. So coming to the hierarchical inheritance, here a single class acts as a base class, and it has many derived classes, or else put it, if we put it in the another way, that is many derived classes are derived from a single base class. So here, so this toys is a base class. So these toys are derived by both public toys, sorry, soft toys and electronic toys. So you can classify that under toys. You can have two category, that is soft toys and electronic toys. If you see in the reverse order, so these both toys are coming under toys, the main class toys. So this is nothing but hierarchical inheritance. Then hybrid, in the sense, in general, hybrid is nothing but fusion of two different characters or two different aspects. So here in this section, two different inheritances are mixed together. So you can see this. So here, from a single class, two different classes are derived. That is hierarchical, and then from two different classes, a single class is derived. That is nothing but multiple inheritance. So here we can able to see two types of inheritance. That is, one is hierarchical and multiple inheritance. So this is nothing but the fusion of two inheritances are nothing but hybrid inheritances. So thank you.